Question 35 is a trigonometry question, and it is about two boats and a lighthouse. So we're trying to find the distance between the boats. So I'll just show you the question over here, so you can read it. So this is the question over here we need to solve, and if you look at the question, part A is asking to find the distance between them. So here's how to solve question 35. So we'll draw it out first quick. So we're told that the first boat is 15 kilometers south of the lighthouse. So we'll draw 15 kilometers south of the lighthouse. We're also told it is 15 kilometers west. The other boat is 15 kilometers west. So there's two boats. There's the fishing boat down here, there's the lighthouse down here, and the yacht down here. Okay, so we're also told this is 15 kilometers. And you can work out that's 90 degrees because it's the difference between west and south. So we want to find this distance between here and here. So this is our target. So let's label the sides. So we've got A, B, C, and let's see, A, and C, B, and A. So they all match up with their respective angles, and we'll use the cosine rule here because we have a side angle side. And after that, and if we write out the formula for the cosine rule, we get c squared equals a squared plus b squared plus 2ab cos c. So that's the formula we need for this question. So what we'll just sub in our values. So c squared equals 15 squared plus 15 squared minus 2 15 cos 90. So that's what, if you work that out, let's simplify this first so it's clear to see. So c squared equals 15 squared at 15 squared is 450. Now 15 squared at 15 squared times 2 is also 450, so minus 450 cos 90. So if you work out, if you plug that into your calculator, you'll get 450 cos 90 as 0, because cos 90 is always 0, so 0 times any number is 0. So 450 minus that equals c squared. So c squared equals 450, and therefore c equals 15 root 2, because what you do is you square root the 450, so it's the same as the c. After that, what you need to do is we look at part B of the question, which is trying to prove it. So if we try and find this angle here, let's name this theta, then what we're going to do is use SOHCAHTOA to prove that 15 root 2 is this distance here from A to B. So we know this side here is the adjacent, and this one here is the opposite. So what we'll do is, we know we've got these two values and for this, so we'll have, and because opposite and adjacent, they're used in the tangent formula, we'll do tan theta equals op over adj and if we put in our values, got tan theta equals 15 over 15, which is 1. So what we'll do is tan minus 1 equals theta, and therefore 45 equals theta. If you plug tan to the power of negative 1 times 1, you will get 45. So that's the angle theta. Now, using that, we can work out this distance here through the cos rule. So no, SOHCAHTOA again. So we'll use cos 45 equals 15 over c, and therefore we get c cos just c equals 15 over cos 45 if you rearrange this equation, and you end up with c equals 15 root 2. So we proved that this is the same from part A and part B because they're the same answer. So we'll check with the answer in the book to see if it's any different. So right here on here it shows the answer for the small writing right there. 15 root 2 kilometers is the answer, which we got. And also it says answers may vary for part B. Well, that's because you've got different values, so you've got different ways to explain it. So there we go. That's the answer, how to work out question 35. Thanks. Bye.